Hi, dear students. Myself Pooja Patel providing you the answer key. Yeah, so I am providing you the answer key for chapter number 13 from the book English Treasure for class 8. The chapter is the three letters. So we are I'm starting with the reading comprehension. Today I'm not giving you the questions, I'll be speaking the question as well as their answers. So tick the correct answer we are having. First question is MK Gandhi informed Fred Campbell that what he did not like about the British was he didn't like is their system of governments in India, right? Second is the school principal Duncan Coleman wrote the letter to Alfred Hitchcock. उन्होंने एल्फ्रेड हिचकॉक को क्यों लेटर लिखा था टू थैंक हिम फॉर स्टॉपिंग बाय एट हिज स्कूल एंड एनकरेजिंग अ shy student. Third question is Albert Einstein admitted to the young girl Phyllis that scientists themselves are not sure of the forces operating in the universe. So, this was part A. Now, complete these sentences we are having. First is MK Gandhi says that his love is not an exclusive affair to explain that he does not hate the British and that he loves everyone. Second is the two things that Alfred Hitchcock gave to the schoolboy were क्या दिया था a drawing and his autograph. Third one is the unexpected response of the schoolboy on receiving the gifts from Alfred Hitchcock suggests sometimes it takes just a spark to help a youngster out of his shell and on the road to confidence. Fourth one is Phyllis asked if it is possible for a person to believe in both science and religion. Fifth one is Albert Einstein wrote that the widespread belief in the ultimate spirit remains even though there are achievements in science. Next, we are having C part. Read this sentence from the one of the letters and answer the questions that follow. That love which is blind is no love. That love which shuts its eyes to the faults of loved one is partial and even dangerous. So, first question out of that extract is who writes these words and to whom? So, answer is M.K. Gandhi writes these words to Fred Campbell. Second is explain this line in your own words that love which is blind is no love. So, it means that love which closes its eyes to people's faults is real, not real love. राइट दूसरों की गलतियों को देख के आंखें बंद कर ले वो सच्चा प्यार नहीं है. थर्ड इज़ व्हाट कैन हैपन व्हेन वी इग्नोर द फॉल्ट्स ऑफ आवर लव्ड वंस. तो जब हम अपने जिनको हम प्यार करते हैं उनकी गलतियों को इग्नोर कर दे तो उससे क्या होता है इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर देम. अ चाइल्ड दैट पैम्पर्ड इज़ लाइकली टू ग्रो अप इन टू अ स्पॉइल्ड एंड सेल्फिश ह्यूमन बींग. नेक्स्ट वी आर हैविंग डिस्कस पार्ट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज yeah. So, what do you think Fred Campbell's reaction might have been when he read the letter? तो उनका क्या reaction होगा? Fred Campbell would probably have been impressed by M.K. Gandhi's clear explanation of his attitude towards the British and his separation of people from politics. Second question for discussion is what did Albert Einstein mean when he wrote the pursuit of science leads to a religious feeling of a special sort, which is surely quite different from the religiosity of someone more name. Do you agree with this view? Share your views in class. So, Albert Einstein says that the faith of scientists is based more on reason and a humble acceptance that there could be a higher power. This is different from many people's blind faith in their religion and an arrogant assumption that they are right and everyone who thinks differently is wrong. So, next we are having a vocabulary part where we have to separate prefix, root word, and suffix. So we are having unhelpful, right? Next is impolitely. Im is prefix, root word is polite, and suffix is ness, right? So these are done. Intacted, disinfected, insanely, revisited, and biographical. Next, we are having write a new word for each of these root words with a prefix, a suffix, or both. या तो prefix लगाना है या suffix लगाना है या दोनों लगाना है. So one is mind, unmindful. Second is laugh, laughter. Third is excite, excitement. Fourth is bear, unbearable. Fifth is friend, friendless. Sixth is funny, it can be funnily. Seventh is doubt, it is doubtful. And eighth is convincing, that is unconvincingly. So we have used here both prefix and suffix. Next is we are having that identify if the verbs in these sentences are used as action verbs or linking verbs. Write the sentences in the correct columns. One has been done for you, so I'm just writing you the answers. First sentence is the old man looked angry. So here the sentence with linking verb, it is a sentence with linking verb. The old man looked hungry, right? Second is the old man looked for food. So this is with action verb, looked for food. Third is my father's car appeared in the driveway. So it is again action. Fourth is my father appeared happy when he came home. It is linking. Fifth is I tasted the soup. It is action. Sixth is the soup tasted good. Linking. Seventh is he grew old. It is linking. And eighth one, he grew a beard. It is action. Okay, next we are having complete these sentences with correct form of the verb in brackets. My class went to the museum yesterday. So first answer is went. Second is I usually dash with the ball point pen. So its answer is writes. My cousins dash by train at this time tomorrow. Will travel, here will be traveling. Fourth is I am dash my homework at the moment. I am doing my homework at the moment. Fifth is the teacher dash asked the lesson last week. So it is taught. I dash my keys. I cannot remember why I dash see them. So answer is have lost and saw them. Seventh is my parents lived in England for 2 years before they dash back to India. Yeah, lived, yeah, had been living, and it's came back to India. Eighth is I dash tired because I dash in the garden for 4 hours now. I am tired because I have been working in the garden for 4 hours now. Sorry. Yes. So next we are having writing. Imagine you stay in a hotel, write a letter about 150 words to grandmother describing your hostel and school life. Follow this format to write your letter. Yeah. So first of all, Saint Casimir School. You can write any of your address. I've written this one. Dear grandma, I hope you have completely recovered from your cold. I'm happy at this school and like the hostel where I have friends from many parts of the world. Since mom and dad are in town now, just about 84 kilometers from Krakow, I get to see them quite often. I'm not the least bit homesick. I have even developed a taste for Polish food. In fact, I am glad there are no big schools in Tarnow. I like mine so much that I would rather be here in Krakow. School is very different from anything I have been used to in India, but I like my teachers and enjoy my lessons. Of course, learning Polish is a bit of a challenge. Well, there goes the study bell. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Much love, Janki. So, this was the work and this was the answer key for the chapter, the three letters. I hope I was able to provide in a better way, and it's helpful in your studies as well. If it did, please do like and tell me in the comments, and share my video, like my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Enjoy your day. Bye bye, take care.